opportunity. I am Aman. I'm the founder of Presage Insights. And all of you who are listening to me, I just want you to, observe the things around you. You maybe have a laptop, earphone, your mobile. You may be, wearing, some of you may be wearing glasses like me, fan, AC. 90% of the things around us are built by machines and even soft drinks. So, the problem is when these powerful and beautiful beasts fail, the whole supply chain ecosystem suffers. The manufacturer lose millions of dollars, and the customer does not get his product on time. Right? So, Presage Insights, we are building a full stack solution, including a smart sensor plus an industrial IoT platform that will predict machine health and machine failures. So if you look at numbers, the industry suffers around $100 billion of loss per year, and if you see recent studies, I know the figure is way higher. It's around $400 billion, and the average time of downtime is around 4 hours, and it costs around 2 CR per hour. And predictive maintenance has been in the industry for, like, I guess, around 3-4 years in the industry. A lot of companies have shown interest, and they have started their digital transformation journey. But what is the problem? What is the problem that this field cannot boom up as it is expected? So the problem is there is a lack of end-to-end solution providers. So if I'm a manufacturer, I want to predict my machine health because it costs me a lot. I do not want to lose my money because of machine downtime, machine failure. For to have a predictive maintenance project started, I will have a different vendor for the hardware. I will have a different vendor for the analytics software platform, and there will be another vendor who will take the data from the sensor and integrate it with the software. So this causes a lot of delay, and this causes the budget to just go above the customer's pocket. So and even this is reflected in the Cisco study. Why IoT projects fail? Because these are one of the like some of the major reasons. So this is where Presage comes in. So we have our end-to-end solution. We have a smart sensor that basically you can install this on any machine, whether it's a bearing, a motor, a pump, a compressor, a gearbox, a fan, blower, and it will stay. You can just install it in seconds, and it will measure vibrations, high frequency vibrations, ultrasound, and temperature. Right. So this is the only sensor in the world right now that is measuring vibration and ultrasound from a single sensor package. So we monitor the health of the machine 24/7. So you can just consider this as a Fitbit for the machine. Okay. And so we predict the anomaly, we predict the fault inside the sensor itself. We do a lot of edge computation inside the sensor. Then we push the data via a secure channel. And this is this platform, this middleware is compliant to UL cybersecurity standards. And in our IoT platform, we diagnose the fault. Like, okay, there is fault. We have detected that this fault is generating, but what kind of fault it is? So we do the fault classification, and we also do tell the customers, prescribe him that we recommend him what to do to just take that fault out of the picture. So the customer gets SMS and email alerts of what to do with his machine, and either his team can go to the machine and do the corrective actions, or we will have our own authorized distributing partners who will do the correction. So the detection part, the diagnostics part, and the actions. So all this circle, all this solution, end-to-end solution, we provide to the customers. So what is the value that the customer will generate? Obviously, the asset life will increase, the uptime will increase, the production will increase, and the labor will be optimized, because now you do not have like guys to just go onto the machine, manually take the data and some vibration analyst, or who will just see the graphs and tell like what kind of failure it is. So this is just all the process we have automated, right from the data collection to the prescription part. So and another main part is the value that we generate is we can avoid some potential safety risks, because we have seen a couple of big incidents regarding the boilers. So it costs some human lives as well, and they were the reason was malfunction of the fans. So what is the market opportunity? So this is very interesting. If you look at the figures, 2 years ago, if you look at the market research study, the market was around $15 billion, but now it's just it's around more than $30 billion, and it's showing a great CAGR of around more than 30%. And especially due to COVID, because there was a lot of employee shortage, and the demand, especially for example, the demand for the pharma sector, it just increased, and they had to manufacture a lot of drugs, manufacture a lot of sanitizers, and they deployed this. A lot of companies, pharma companies, they deployed this solution as soon as possible.